So, welcome to the May updates. I just figured the date isn't updated, but anyway, so this is May community call for Litecoin. Every first Monday of the month, we gather for a short period of time to catch up on things that happened in the past month in the ecosystem. So I'm Phoebe from the Litecoin team, which is one of the core application building on Litecoin right now. So I will start with some proposal updates in the past month. So one of the proposal 80 is something that I have been helping out to facilitate the operation, and the current status is marked as complete. So proposal 80 was passed, and the proposal details is to swap some token in the DAO wallet to stablecoin. So currently, the expected amount of NUM tokens is swapped to USDT, and is also being sent back to the multi-sig wallet that is holded by several DAO members on Safe Wallet, and it is a public. So you can view the wallet in the in actually. I'll send the link here as well. Um, so all funded are now being secured back to the multi-sig wallet. So this is an update on follow on proposal 80. And last month, we also successfully did a chain upgrade on some major on IBC Go. And seems it was quite smooth, that conducted and completed in around 15-20 minutes. So thanks for all validators' participation in terms of this upgrade. And also thanks, William, for helping to facilitate the upgrade as well. And from the Litecoin side, there are a few things that. Before I get into Litecoin, there is one thing that we did on Twitter side as well. So last month, we onboarded a volunteer from the community to help us get back on Twitter to provide some regular updates for now. And his name is Gary. Unfortunately, he can't came to say hi today, but already sent him the link that he can show up on Discord, and he will be helping us to populate some content on Twitter for Litecoin. And he has been helping out for around 2 weeks now, and he helped us hosted a Twitter space that we haven't hosted for quite a bit yet, from a recent book that published on Litecoin as well. So it was happened a few days ago, and it was a great catch up. Especially this is the first Chinese book that is around Cosmos, and Jaga was a supporter of Litecoin as well. So he basically shared some of his experience in this Cosmos space, and he also listed his book using the open source approach, where the content is free to download. And currently there are over 60 plus people already downloaded from Litecoin. So feel free to go support him on Litecoin. You'll find his latest book as well. So this is a bit of update on the Twitter side of who is helping to run, and potentially you'll see more updates with the help of Gary. So hopefully next month we can invite him to do a short intro about his plan and his background as well. Next up is a little bit about the Litecoin product updates. So lately we have revamped the homepage to improve on two things. One is you should notice there is a significant improvement in efficiency. So um, the performance issue. So one thing that have been flagged to our team is that the loading performance and the speed of like a land page was very slow. And thanks to the dev team, look into several upgrades and improvement. Currently, the Lycoland homepage should be significantly improved in the speed, so that whenever you load the book cover in particular, it should be quite instant for now. So that is something that we did. And we also kind of updated the information and the design a little bit on the homepage so that people would know what we're doing instantly when they land on Lycoland. So originally, the old page was targeting the more on the writer side. Right now, it's more onto a bookstore front end where people can directly know what kind of books that we're currently selling. So this is some latest revamp effort that we made on Lycoland. So feel free to check it out. And we also has been improving on reducing the purchase funnel friction. So if you remember from last month update, Lycoland already deployed the support of social and email logins. And now we also extend the login to writer side. So whenever writer come to create or upload their content with us, they can also now use a more layman effort on login, so that writers don't have to go through the hustle of using Web3 wallet. So this is something that already deployed on the production level on the NFT book press. We also improved that the claim flow. Okay, there's a typo on claiming books on our site, because majority of the audience that Lycoland currently facing would be layman users who might not have experience on blockchain, etc. So currently we updated the flow to a more simplified way, and people can instantly create account while claiming their books as well. So this will be a continued effort in next month as well, where we will also look into mobile experience on claiming books, etc. So here are some little twists that you will notice if you engage with our site lately. So other than on product updates, we have some new publisher onboarded to Lycoland. One of them is called the Terminus. They are a publisher that focus on Hong Kong local newspaper and some research reports. You could see on their sites they consolidate most of these local news and previous research report on Lycoland. So if you are interested in the latest stories of Hong Kong locals, then definitely worth to check it out. And secondly, we also onboarded a more on a commercial publisher, which is called the Breakthrough. They are based in Hong Kong as well. So lately, they have been listing their magazines on Lycoland as well. This also gave us an opportunity to work with commercial and middle-sized, big and middle-sized publisher that has been in the traditional space for quite a bit, to understand their needs in listing their digital ebooks and what kind of DRM requirement that they would expect it to have. So this is a great audience that we will learn from in terms of serving a bigger size or commercialized publisher in the traditional space. So please do support their work as well. The latest issue of their magazine covering some local policy in Hong Kong on uh, rubbish fee government policy. So it's a quite interesting in-depth research on that topic. So if you haven't checked it out, please do so. They are now on Lycaland. Um, Lastly, last month we also mentioned about we will try to catch up more on marketing effort. And one of the most active channel that we are currently on is on Substack. If you haven't subscribed to our newsletter, please do as well. And you can find us through the link that is being shown on the screen. So that's basically what I prepared for today. I want to see if there are any AOB from the side. Um, Seems no other matters that would like to mention. Uh, okay, then I will take a little bit of time also invite uh, community members who might potentially be excited about a little tool that the team does, which is a still in a beta testing text to speech feature that can convert any EPUB to audio. So currently, this is a site that we would like to invite friends to test it out, or might potentially be helpful to people who are interested in audiobooks. So if any of you would like to try this out, you may access through the link here that I just post in the chat as well. So feel free to let us know what you think and go try it out if you're interested. I think that will be something currently we're inviting friends to try. So yeah, that's really it from my end. If any other people have things that they would like to share, here's your stage.